If your SaaS still runs manually, you're losing time, customers, and scalability. Here's how automation makes growth hands-free. Zapier AI and Make, or Intergormat. Automate onboarding, billing, and renewal workflows without writing a single line of code. Customer.io plus ChatGPT. Automate user engagement, personalize onboarding emails, churn prevention messages, and upgrade nudges. Intercom Fin AI responds to user queries instantly with brand trained context, cutting support costs dramatically. Stripe Automations handles subscriptions, failed payment, and refund flaws automatically. No developer intervention needed. HubSpot Workflows manages your leads, assigns them to sales reps, and triggers follow-ups using behavioral triggers. Pro tip: automate internal processes first, onboarding, billing, support. It frees bandwidth to focus on growth and product depth. Top SaaS startups run 70% of backend operations fully automated, scaling faster with smaller teams. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.